Okay, everybody, so here we are going to do a little tutorial on how to get set up with everything that you'll need for the ND Technology Bakeoff. As a starting point, there are a few things that you're going to have to install on your machine. The first of which is Vagrant. Vagrant is a super cool tool that we're going to use to make sure that we all have the same development environment on our machines, so that when we're doing things together, it all just kind of works together, and when we need to share things, that works too. So, go to this website, vagrantup.com, hit downloads, pick the newest version, and then pick the one that's appropriate for your machine. If you're on a Mac, you're going to use this one. If you're on a Windows, you're going to use this one. And if you're on Linux, you're probably using some flavor of Ubuntu. You're probably using 64-bit, so use that one there. Alright, the next thing that you're going to need to have installed on your machine is VirtualBox. So Vagrant uses VirtualBox in the background to create VMs on your machine to do your development in. So you're going to need to have VirtualBox installed if you don't already. You can go to the download section here, and then you can pick off whichever one you want. You don't need to worry about the extension pack or the software development kit, but you're going to get excuse me, you're going to want to get one of these up here, again according to whatever platform you're on. The next thing that we're going to need to have is a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, it is super simple to sign up. Here's their homepage. You just pick a username, an email that you want associated with your account, create a password, hit that, and you'll have an account. As soon as you have that, you need to send your username to me at mdunn4@nd.edu, and I will send you back permissions to access a private repository in GitHub that you're going to need to spin up your development environment. After you do that, you're going to want to come down here and pick up the GitHub application for your system. So either select this or this, depending on what you need. Here's what the screen looks like for the Mac download page. Here's the Windows download page. Make sure you get it, install it on your system. A couple other things to note if you are using Windows. You're going to have to install Putty, P-U-T-T-Y. That's a little tool that's going to help you do SSH functionality, since that's not supported natively on the Windows platform. And you may also have to change one of your BIOS settings depending on how your computer was configured when you received it. Basically, in VirtualBox, this program here, there's a setting that basically you need to set your BIOS to allow VirtualBox to work correctly. If you're having any problems with that, you can contact Adam Freeling or Evan Brown, who both worked on that, and they should be able to show you what BIOS flag to flip. Alright, so go ahead and install all of those things, and then check out the next video on kind of configuring your system.